Hello guys, welcome back to In 5 Minutes. In this presentation we are going to see the logic families. Now logic families corresponds to how we implement the logic gates, that is nothing but the all the logic gates you have seen, basic gate, derived gates and the universal gates. Now to implement these gates we need to have some sort of passive and active devices. So rearranging these passive and active devices togetherly, there are many logic families, of which we will discuss some of the logic families here. So starting with the very first logic family, that is nothing but the simple diode logic. So in simple diode logic, let us consider an example where you have this point is plus VCC, a resistance is there, you have here output Y and you have two inputs A and B. So this is the input section and this is the output section. Now this is kind of a simple circuit is there, simple general diodes are used. You can calculate this with the help of a truth table in which you have inputs A, P and output Y and the logic you have to define. Then what I will do, A, B we will use 4 combinations to which I'll apply 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Now be careful when I'm saying that 0, 0, it is nothing but both the inputs are connected to ground and VCC, that is nothing but the logic high position. So towards this VCC I will write down here that is nothing but the logic 1 level and 0 corresponds to logic low level. A, B, 0, 0 first case, both the inputs are 0, then all the VCC supply through the resistor R, the current will be grounded and there will not be any voltage appearing at the output side. So output will be 0 here. If A is 0, B is 1. If B is 1, this will be reverse biased, but A will be forward biased. So again all the voltage will be grounded. So again output is 0. And the next case, A will be reverse bias and B will be B0 corresponds to forward bias. So again output is 0. And the output Y here in the last case, when both of the diodes are reverse bias, applied plus 5 voltage here, plus VCC corresponds to plus 5 volt DC generally. So both the diodes are reverse biased, and what we have here, all the voltage is appearing at this point, that is nothing but the output Y. So finally we got output 1 here, and this logic is nothing but the AND logic. So this is the AND operation between A and B. So what I will write here, Y is equal to A into B. So this is simple diode logic. Similarly, you can implement all the logic gates. Now there are various techniques to implement this. Let us move to the second one, that is nothing but the transistor logic, or most commonly known as TTL, in which what we have here is the plus VCC supply, resistor, output Y is here, and the input section here, let us say input is A. So whatever the Y here, that will be equal to how much? So let us say only one input is there. So if I say A is 1, plus VCC supply is given, and what I hear is the transistor Q1, which is nothing but the NPN, and to the P region I am going the plus 5 volts, that is nothing but input. Then the transistor will be turned on and all the voltage available at plus VCC, it will be grounded because this transistor will act as a switch, hence Y will be 0. So what I hear is, if A is equal to 1, Y is equal to 0, and if A is equal to 0, then the transistor will be off and all the voltage will appear at this point, that is nothing but Y is equal to 1. So this is nothing but a kind of inversion. So what we write as a NOT gate. So this is basically a TTL NOT or NOR gate TTL.